Your SolidWorks designs are always evolving, and to stay competitive, you need to get quality products out to the market fast. Powered by the industry-leading ABAQUS solver, 3DEXPERIENCEWORKS simulation empowers teams to simulate complex scenarios, revolutionizing the way engineers conceptualize, prototype, and refine their creations, all within the virtual confines of the cloud. Let's take a look at how 3DEXPERIENCEWORKS is shaping the future of product development so you can unlock new realms of innovation. Manufacturing and weight considerations drive design changes all the time, but you need to ensure that the structural performance still meets your requirements. With Simulation Designer, you can now easily validate your design for linear static and dynamic stresses, so you can better understand how your product will perform. Seamlessly transfer your designs from SolidWorks without the need for data exports, making sure you're always working from a single source of truth. Whether you're a first-time user or a long-time analyst, the assessment panel makes it easy for anyone to set up the analysis. Select the material from a comprehensive library or create a custom one. Apply boundary conditions and static loads. You can choose to run the simulation locally or access powerful cloud-based solvers. Once the results are generated, view the factor of safety plots to validate your designs. All within a browser, you can visualize and compare alternatives, collaborate with teams globally for peer review, and take advantage of data traceability, allowing you to pick the best design to move forward. Sometimes a linear static simulation is not enough, and you need to understand how your design behaves when working with nonlinear materials or plastic deformation. Simulation Engineer allows you to accurately investigate nonlinearity in your design so you can avoid costly rework. Nonlinear material characteristics are easily loaded from the built-in library and can be customized to meet your needs. This way, you can compare different materials and better predict product performance. Create realistic time-based loading conditions to more accurately represent real-world scenarios. The assistant panel lets you know if the simulation is ready to run. Cycling through different results highlight the regions where plastic deformation has occurred. You can iterate on your design and rerun the simulation until your design requirements are met, all without any expensive physical prototyping. Short duration, high energy events can truly ignite simulation complexity. How do you capture the essence of explicit dynamic loadings such as a drop test? Simulation Analyst provides you powerful tools to solve complex what-if scenarios so you can accurately investigate their effects. Setting up an explicit study requires a velocity, specifying the flow, and a direction for gravity. Powerful ABAQUS solver automatically accounts for part-to-part contact. Stress and displacement results give you insights into how the assembly behaves during a drop test so you have confidence to move the best design forward. Sharing your designs and working with your teammates is easy with the built-in collaboration tools. Cyclic loading of compressive and tensile stresses can create fatigue failures that are hard to predict without physical testing. With Simulation Analyst, you can validate the lifespan of your parts. The built-in library allows you to select material with fatigue data or create your own. Common cyclic loading conditions can be applied, and the on-screen graphics lets you know that the forces are going in the right direction. The results show when and where your parts will fail, even in low cycle fatigue. With tight integration between SolidWorks and 3DEXPERIENCEWORKS simulation, you can easily make design changes and rerun the simulation without having to import and export different file types. Compare results and see how informed design changes can maximize the lifespan of your parts. Whether streamlining your design for better aerodynamics or investigating fluid flow within your design, robust fluid dynamics capabilities within the simulation multiphysics allows you to easily define the boundaries of your study, input fluid velocity, and use body-fitted mesh to accurately simulate complex internal or external flow scenarios. High-powered cloud computing allows you to easily scale your resources and reduce solve time. Explore flow velocities, pressure fields, and streamlines to help you validate the fluid behavior, gaining insights such as pressure drops, stagnations, and thermal effects. In this rapidly evolving landscape of product development, 3D EXPERIENCEWORKS simulation revolutionizes the way engineers conceptualize, prototype, and refine their creations. With the power of the ABAQUS solver, you can now simulate complex multi-physics design scenarios without physical prototyping. Immerse yourself in a comprehensive simulation learning environment, minimizing any learning hurdles along the way. Are you ready to embrace cloud simulation and bring ideas to reality faster? If so, contact your local Solidworks reseller and learn more about 3D EXPERIENCEWORKS simulation today.